What about one in the river? These Palm Shop Love labels are waterproof. Yes, queen. Push. JosephAnthonii slime is trash, so there you go. You get a slime. What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. We are here at Slime Pop at the Palmer Center in Austin, Texas, and we are setting up the booth right now. I'm at Slimes by Kit Kat's booth. My little signs over here. And we're just kind of setting everything up right now. Okay, so right now I'm setting up the slime sundae bar over here. We have our very berry strawberry ice cream vanilla caramel. We have the strawberry jelly slime and caramel jelly slime, and then of course toppings and charms. And then Kit Kat even made some menus for us too. And it has like everything that we're going to be selling in here. So like our collab slimes and then Kit Kat slimes. Come on, focus on me, girl. Hey y'all, so I'm here with Carly right now. We're literally about to do a scavenger hunt and hide a whole bunch of slimes. It's super secret. Oh yeah, I'm all yelling it to the world right now. Hey guys! I know, literally, everybody comes snatch before we hide them. But yeah, it should be fun. I don't even have my wristband. Oh, it's okay. God. It's okay.
I got you.
Let's see if we can do this.
Oh, right.
Vlogception. Hey girl.
About to walk around and hide a bunch of slimes outside of
yeah, we are.
Center.
This is not noticeable whatsoever.
Oh my god.
Queen. There we go. Girl, what an icon, honestly. I wouldn't have even thought that. I'm gonna put it on the top one all the way up there. Just kidding. Honestly. Yeah. There you go. You get a slime. I'm dead. They're gonna arrest us for littering. That is so iconic.
Why are these so cute?
What about one in the river? These Palm Shop Love labels are waterproof.
Oh my god. Imagine.
Right?
Oh my god.
That's hilarious. Put one
This is
here.
too much fun.
Honestly. That one is iconic. Okay. Okay, hold on. Is it? Okay, cool. We love that for you. Okay, so I feel like here. Okay. I'm gonna put one on this seat here. Actually, I'm gonna put two, you know? You're really iconic if you find these. Push. Slime. There you go. Oh, I thought it cracked, but now it's good. I'm like in the grass. That's iconic. Put one in this tree over here. Let's see. We'll get an iconic two-tone slime. Yes, queen. You can rest happy next to all this bird poop. Bird poop. Throw one in the water, but I'm not trying to get arrested. Also, can we literally talk about how it's like 100 degrees out here and we're just like chilling? It's so hot. Bird poop. That works. Rest you there. Iconic. JosephAnthonii slime is trash, so there you go. Icon. Iconic. This slime is so pretty. So it needs a waterfront view, you know what I'm saying? Iconic. Carly, why do I want to throw one in the water? Hashtag save the turtles. I feel like we should hide some inside. Okay, cool. There's literally like a grown-ups only section. Is that not iconic? I'm gonna hide a slime in here. There you go. I'm gonna hide one down here. Carly, this is iconic, so I'm gonna hide it up here like this. That's so cute. You know what? You can get two if you can find these. Bam. I know a really good technique. Is that not iconic?
Iconic.
Where else should I hide? If I was a slime, where would I hide?
I don't know. I'm just putting some of these like out.
Go off, sis. Oh, it's not gonna work. It's okay. You can have another one.
I love
Honestly. So cute. Yes. Carly hid hers over there. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna boop. Y'all, I'm literally gonna hide 132 ounce, so whoever finds it, you are goals. Okay, y'all. This is close to the stage. I'm gonna hide the 32 ounce. Whoever finds it, we'll keep it. Y'all, it's been found. You found it! Alright, y'all, here is Kit Kat's full setup. Looking really nice. Her brand new banner. So she has her slimes here and then a couple supplies that she's selling. She's selling Daiso clay. We're selling our collab slime palettes. We have menus like I showed y'all earlier. Glitter, charms, cake pops, base slimes, cookies, cupcakes, slushy beads, all this kind of stuff. Ice cream, just everything is here. Thank you. Yeah, of course.
You know what?
They're playing with all the slimes they just found. Hey y'all. Just made a slime sundae in my little Sunday slime bar. Get to really like customize everything yourself. It's super cool. We have berry, strawberry, and vanilla caramel. And then you get to choose a jelly slime topping, either strawberry or caramel. And then of course, you know, the little sprinkles and stuff. Super cute. So cute.
Welcome to Slime Pop.
Yay. Hey. I love that. That's so adorable.
Do you have an Instagram?
Awesome.
Oh yeah, we have it's lollipop.
Lollipop slime shop.
Woohoo! Did you want some toppings on it as well? Do you want like the syrup?
That's 15.
Can I get just the syrup? Yep. You can do it yourself, honey. Okay. All right. This one's going to be $12.
Okay. 27 or credit card?
We do credit card.
Carly is iconic. Hey. Hi. I come bearing gifts, so from me and Slimes by Kit Kat. Okay. Thank you. All the kids are playing with their slime. Super cool. Hey girl, we have Lazy Slime in the house. She's gonna build a slime sundae right now.
Ice cream do you want?
I would like strawberry.
Strawberry.
This is so cute.
Thank you.
I
You
love
know-
these containers too. Like, you're
Do you know
always
where we
on
do you know where we got them from? Girl.
At like 10 o'clock.
A little hood secret.
Potatoes.
No. Yeah.
That's okay.
I'm a little hood secret.
So now I just put a little thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Like, be sparing. So you're becoming a pro. You can work at Baskin Robbins.
Do you know how hard it is to scoop slime? Like it's actually really hard.
Now you can get a job at Baskin. A little bit of this.
Yeah. Super cute.
Boom.
Yay. Do you want like a syrup kind of drizzle or anything?
Oh yeah, I'd love one.
Yeah, which one?
Strawberry or caramel? Strawberry.
Yeah.
Let's put it on for the vlog.
Okay, girl.
Alright. We'll poke it too.
Yes, it's a jelly slime.
Oh my god, let's poke it with my good nail.
That is so funny.
And then I'm like, yeah, not today.
That is hilarious.
Oh my gosh.
Yay.
That's so cute, I love it.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Have fun. Enjoy.
Ice cream would you like now? Oh my god. We'll do vanilla because everything goes with vanilla.
Vanilla caramel, girl. It's so good.
Oh my god. Here we go.
It's like the real
This is insane. This one's a little
Calorie-free, it's the best kind of sundae.
Well, honestly, yeah.
I don't have to get fat while eating this one. And would you like caramel or strawberry? Caramel.
All right.
That. Oh my god. I hope my hands are
Make it look pretty.
Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Oh god. Okay. We'll just do a little. I don't even know.
Behind the scenes of a Slime City Bee post.
Yes.
And then you can Add your toppings.
2 scoops and 1 charm. Okay. We'll do these little ones. Oh my god, yes. And rainbow. I have slime on my hands. This is so cool.
It's the best kind. It's calorie free.
That's what I was saying. Alright, we'll do
Any charm you want.
that.
Yay, super cute. Love that.
Oh my god. Okay.
Have fun.
Ready?
You need a spoon.
We'll do a little thing where you like pull it up like.
Honestly, iconic.
Don't worry, it's okay. I'll just direct the video.
We love that. Hey y'all, so I'm here with Snoop's Crunch and we're actually going to be doing a demo right now making icy slime. So it's going to be really cool. We're going on stage right now, so let's go. I'm not trying to break my camera any more than it's already broken.
I actually just bought a vlog camera on Amazon.
Oh yeah?
I'm just gonna put like
I'm gonna do that much.
a quarter.
Yeah. What we're gonna do now is just basically activate this. We're gonna over-activate it just a tiny bit so that when we add our snow it doesn't melt. So, for the icy slime texture that we're gonna make, I'm actually not gonna activate the snow, so I'm not adding any water to this at all. We're gonna do this dry. So dry snow is the best for this. I'm gonna take about, I would say maybe that's like a tablespoon and start there. Just kind of mix it into the slime. If you make big batches of slime at home, for 1 gallon of slime, I think I use 16 ounces of dry snow to achieve this texture, so just throwing that out there. All right, so I'm gonna add some coloring to mine.
Oh, there you go, Mike.
So that y'all can see the effect of the snow a little bit more, hopefully.
Oh, I need more snow.
And I'm gonna try not to color my entire hand red.
I didn't have enough snow.
There we go. It already looks like a cherry icy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It just completely changes the texture. It's super cool. See? Doesn't that look like an icy you can get at the gas station, right? It's so cool. I'm gonna add more activator though because it's kind of melting. It's so cute. All right, lazy slime, come through, girl. So adorable, even the lights. Okay, so I had to snatch this snow cone kit. How cool is that? You get to decorate it yourself. So I am off right now to do some judging for some slimes. I'm actually going to be judging the thick and glossy slime competition. So I'm heading over there right now. All right, we get to judge all this. Are y'all excited?
Yeah.
Hey. These look so cool. Oh, I don't know if...
What is Which one should we start? Slime.
This one's so pretty. I'm not sure whose slime this is, but I really love it. Number 1.
I think that these are like my favorite.
Okay, so Carly made an announcement right now, letting everybody know that I'm eating the chocolate, by the way. Oh my god, I can't open the door. That we hit slime out here, and look at everybody looking for the slime.
So I told everybody that we hit slime.
Are there still more?
Possibly, they're all down there.
They're checking the bushes. They're checking the water. I'm just kidding. We stand a queen who does anything for slime. Okay, is this not the cutest thing ever? I'm so excited to film this. So adorable. Focus. Alrighty, y'all, we are done and we are on our way now to go eat. I had so much fun at Slime Pop. Everybody was so cool and the event was just really well organized. We had a lot of fun and I want to just say thank you to everybody who came out. I had a blast and yeah, I'm about to go eat at the melting pot right now because we are starving and I've never been there, so I'm really excited. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much and I will see you all next time. Bye!